Riana Anaïs. Welcome back to my channel. We are back again with another video. So if you watched our last video, you heard that we are moving. Well, today is closing day. We have our final walkthrough and I'm gonna give you guys an empty house tour. I've always wanted to do this. I feel like an official YouTuber now. Okay, this car vlogging thing does not want me to be great today. Hello. Car vlogging tripod. Let me be great. So we are on our way to do the final walkthrough right now. If you've ever built a home or bought a home, you always do a final walkthrough like the day before closing or the day of closing, and you just want to make sure everything on your checklist was done. We did a previous walkthrough and there was a few things that I saw wrong with the house. It's a new build, but we didn't build it like from the ground up. We didn't pick everything out, so it's what they call a showcase home. You build new or you buy brand new, you get a full warranty for the first year. Some builders do 2-year warranties. I believe this builder does a 2-year warranty, which I'm super excited about, and it's literally wall to wall. Any little thing, like they'll fix it, all of it, that first year or 2 years depending on your builder. On our way, we're driving. I got Gigi in the back. We're gonna go to the final walkthrough and then we're gonna go to the closing. Super excited for y'all to see the new place. Now we're just on our way and we will see you guys at the house.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep.
So we are here and they're literally still finishing a few things on the house, so sorry about the noise, but Gigi, this is your new house. Gigi, what do you think about the new place? Do you like it? Yeah? What are they doing out there? It is a townhome. I love it. It's so cute. This is a kitchen. Got a really cool smart stove, gas, cook range. I'm super excited about that. Built-in microwave. It kind of looks like our old kitchen, which is pretty crazy, but love it. And downstairs they have this big flex room. That is gonna be Gigi's playroom. So be looking forward to lots of videos on that. This just has like a little closets. And then down here we also have a half bath. I love the mirror in here. I think it's so cute. So that's cute. Just a little half bath. I won't show y'all the toilet because that's gross. Go up the stairs. Love this little pathway though. Can overlook the family room. Super cute. Gas fireplace. You can just turn it on with a switch. And we have like 2 more bedrooms upstairs. I think this might be Gigi's room. This is a little brighter than I like, so I might do the other bedroom. Also have this walk-in closet. You have this cute little Jack and Jill bathroom. Hey. And then the toilet and the tub separate. This is the other bedroom. And then paste de resistance, the master. Looks super small because it's empty, but it's a pretty nice size room. But my favorite thing, the whole house, the bathroom. Look at that tub, y'all. Oh my gosh. Cannot wait. And pretty nice size shower as well with a little bench in there. Uh-oh. Close the door. And have his and hers sinks and mirrors. And then we have a little built-in vanity space here. Walk-in closet. For the gods. This is actually Gianna's room. This is actually Gigi's room. So we're gonna end the vlog here, you guys. This is our new home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more like house updates, decor updates, that type of thing, plus all my regular mommy content and lifestyle content, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to give this video a big old thumbs up, and until the next video, bye.